Hi guys, gotta make this quick. My dinner's ready. Postman's been. Tried to get the label off, most of it came off. Yeah, okay. Fragile items. Low carbon environmental protection starts from me. Oh yeah. Well, this has come from China. Aha, finally. These have been a long time coming. They're only toy car wheels, not hobby grade. But I thought I'd have a look at them. They look like they're rubber sealed onto plastic hubs. So they're nice looking tyres. I don't think you're going to get them off those rims. I just thought, I was looking at the price of them, they were cheap. I thought I'd give them a go. I've got a few toy grade cars that they might fit. That Draculara thing might work with these. Don't know where I've put it now. I think it's upstairs out of the way. So that'll have to do because, say, my dinner's ready. So a set of cheap, they feel nice, they do feel nice grippy rubber. They're hard, as in, you know, they're not foam filled or anything, they're solid. And they're moulded directly onto this white hub rim, so you can't pull them off. But yeah, they look quite nice. Right, I'll have to find something to do with them. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.